cuties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley, and if you're new here, welcome. So today I decided to do my current favorites. I really miss these type of videos because I really love watching what people are loving. And honestly, I just want to see what you like loving because I want to kind of buy it. And then I'm like, oh, I have never seen that product before. Let me go try it, you know? And plus, if it's your current favorite, it must be something that you really like. So anyways, let's just jump into the video. Let's go. So cuties, I'm going to go ahead and start off with makeup. I have to mention Glossier Boy Brow. Oh my goodness, I think this changed my life. I feel like this product was meant on the go or girls for the go. That's me. I'm always in a hurry. I have a job. I just like brush my eyebrows and be out the door. But anyways, about this product is has this little bristle. It has a lot of product, so you might want to be careful when you apply it, but it's really easy to apply. At first for me it was difficult because I think the first time I took out so many products and I just put it in my eyebrow and I was like, oh my gosh, I really don't like it. But once I got the hang of it, it was really nice. But I have to say, I do combine the Glossier with Benefit Boy Brow. Oh my goodness, these two, I don't even know what to say. These are just banging together. They're really nice. I use more the pencil to like fill in anything that I'm missing or like to brush it up. It's just a combination of the gods. I really love these two. So for my last product and my makeup favorite, it has to be the Smashback. This is the Cali Contour Kit. Oh my goodness, I really enjoy the colors. These colors are lovely. It really has everything you need. It has the contour, highlight, shimmer. It even has a shimmering highlight, a shimmering bronze, and a matte bronze, and a matte blush. And I really love this palette. I didn't know if I was going to put it in my favorites because I don't want this video to be so long, but I had to put it in here. It's such a lovely, 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 lovely palette. So now that I'm finished with my makeup favorite, let's move on with skincare. Oh my goodness, you know I love skincare. I love it more than makeup. That's just the honest truth. I have to say, I have been loving two things, and I'm going to show them together because I use them together. Don't combine them together, but I use them together. I'm going to start with Cup of Coffee from Lush. Oh my goodness, this product right here. First of all, it smells like coffee, and I love coffee, so that was a bonus. And I have to say, it really exfoliates my face. It does say that you have to like use it for 15 minutes, but honestly, I just wake up, put it in my face, like massages a little bit, rinse it off right away. And then for my second product, after I'm done with this one, I go ahead and use my sunscreen. This is the Neogen Daylight Protection Sunscreen. Oh my goodness, it smells really good. And it's very lightweight. It's not like that nasty sunscreen, like really heavy. I love these two combined. I must say, that's what I've been doing every morning, and I've been loving these two babies. Just letting you know. So let's move on to clothing, or like, honestly, I don't have a clothing item. This is just like, it's a shoe item. It's two shoes item. And I have to say, let me get it. I open the box. These are Jeezys. This is one of them. Let me get the other one. Throw that box in there, girl. Oh, snap. They all falling. This one and this one. Oh my gosh, they're very similar, very light colors. I don't know, this is my favorite so far because I don't know, I just love the color, honestly. And this one was like really cool and like minty, and I was like, this is weird. I never tried like something like this. These are so out of my comfort zone, but I feel like I could rock them. You know what I mean? Like, they're so nice, so comfortable, literally really big. I feel like they're meant for flat feet. That's just me being honest. So I don't know what categories I would mention these, but I would call it the knick-knack categories, like little things that is just random. I have to mention this notebook right here. This is the it says Create Beautiful Things, and it's so cute. Look at it, it's so cute. I really love this notebook for one reason. It lays flat. Like, I don't know what is this, but it literally lays flat, and you could just literally write everything, and you don't have to worry about, like, you know, those rings in the middle. Really love these notebooks. I've been seeing them all throughout Target. I have to buy a couple more because I know I'm gonna fill this up soon, and I've been loving this. Also, for another knickknack, I have to say it's this pencil case. Not only that, It holds all my beautiful pencils that I am just constantly using to be planning videos for you guys. This is from Amazon and this is from Target. If you find this book, just buy it. Like, just go. So for my last favorite category, it has to be music. Like, come on. I have to add music in this favorite video. I have to say I've been loving two artists. They're both Dominican, Melly and Danny Lay. Been loving their music, but there's like two songs specifically. I am hoping that I don't get like, you know, ties or something. But I'm gonna play a little bit of the songs that I've been loving. This is Easy Unplugged by Danny Lay. Let me catch your vibe. Let's just take our time. Just relax your mind and take it easy. Let's move on to Melly. There's just one song that I love. It's called Anime Girl. And I don't know why I'm in the car and I just vibe to this song. I was wildin'. Let's get it together, Ashley. But anyways, those are my favorites. So kitties, I do hope that you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know what are your favorite products are you currently loving this month, or in general, what are you loving? I love to know. I'm just very curious that way. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss none of my videos. So I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Peace. Bye.